I made $18,000 this week selling services to home service businesses. And if you watch the next 10 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to copy me step by step using the simple system that literally anyone can do. Christian did this and now he's stacking 7.5K in MRR, monthly recurring revenue, without having to push a single button. Wajid also did this to sign 5 new clients within 60 days. And Mondo went from 30K a month all the way to 90K a month plus at 19 years old. And I'm about to show you exactly how you can do the exact same. So we're going to go over here. Guys, I literally made my first 8 months of business $103,000, as you can see right here in these screenshots. In September, from September 20th to September 25th, I made 18,000.2. So again, another $18,000 week. And this last April, I made 24.4K in 12 days. That is insane, especially me right over here, coming from a 22-year-old club promoter, absolute degenerate, I know, but literally went from doing that to winning 2 WAP challenges. Okay, I won 3K in 30-day challenge, and I also won their 10K and 30-day challenge right over here. I went on 14 flights. You can literally see me here in a helicopter in New York City. I met up with my mentor, Serge Guttari, who absolutely changed my life. And at the bottom here, you can see I left my full-time job that I worked for 3 years. So honestly, like, doing this changed my life. I finally got to go on the vacation of my life. Really, I mean, not necessarily a vacation, but I went there to work. But I went to Cartagena, Colombia for a month, just working there, changing my environment, and it absolutely changed my life. A lot had to go into that, okay? I had to go in here. I had to pick the right niche. I had to craft the right offer. I had to get the good client acquisition system, dial in my sales, delivery system, scaling my agency, investing into mentorship and networking, a whole bunch of stuff that went into that. But like you saw in the title of this video, I scaled helping home service businesses, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do so. Why did I choose home service? The reason why I chose home service is because this business and this market hasn't changed in 5, 10, 20 years plus. The things that they need, which is leads, booked appointments, jobs, has never changed. This business model, this market is so perfect because it's so predictable. First thing you have to do is just pick a niche, okay? I picked this niche, HVAC. I consider it somewhat hard. I think I mastered it, okay? Landscaping is a great one. Home remodeling is another good one, okay? Pest control is great, okay? You pick a niche that needs leads because, again, leads is the oxygen to their business. Why are we picking home service? Exactly what I said. The market hasn't changed in over 50 years. They have predictable buying habits, okay? Their wants and needs haven't changed. The business is simple as F. Predictable marketing habits, these didn't change. Simple as F. I put it here double time to really put it in your head, okay? Why did I choose lead generation? Again, because leads are oxygen to their business. If they don't have leads, the business dies, okay? And we get them leads on Meta, so Meta marketing, getting them leads, and we use Go High Level as our CRM. Super, super simple. You need 3 things, really. You need a laptop, internet, and a brain on you. And again, why do we choose lead generation? Because like I said, the oxygen to their business, they'll stay with you forever as long as leads are consistent, you have good communication, and they make sales. If someone's making money, if someone's getting their return on investment with you, why would they ever leave? I've got clients that stick with me for 6 months to a year plus, simply because my leads are consistent, only because this market is so consistent, it's not even funny. How did I become the solution? Because again, I came from a club promoting degenerate who really knew nothing about online marketing and things like that. Believe me, I wasn't a marketer. I went to school for graphic design. As you can see, my very pretty Myros here. What do you have to do? You have to figure out what to sell. So what I sell is done for you lead generation, meaning I generate and manage their ads. I generate the leads. And not only do I generate leads, I don't just give them the leads, okay? We call each and every one of their leads and book them on in-home estimates. So for me, with my HVAC marketing company, you can see the sign behind me, hooksquare.com, look me up. This is exactly what we do. So once we generate the leads and we call them, we then do the confirmation handoff. So we do the confirm handoff where we send each of the booked appointments to my client and they close at a 30% rate. And how I do so is I use the Go High Level CRM that I explained to you over here. Go High Level is so easy. It almost does all the work for me, okay? I use the AI SMS chat. It's completely done for me. Every new client I get, it doesn't add any more workload on me because the AI inside Go High Level does it for me. And if you want the exact snapshot that I use, it has all of my pre-done SMS, email sequences, website templates, landing pages, anything like that. Click the link below this video. You'll see a code to a 14-day free trial. And once you get that, send me a screenshot and I will send you my snapshot, okay? After this, obviously, we need to figure out how to sell it. Lots of people like to do the $1,000 $1,000 retainers and things like that. That's okay. What we're doing is we're attracting the higher end of the market. Pretend this is a graph, okay? Here are the companies that are making lots of money. Here are the companies that aren't making any money. Most of the marketing agencies out there are serving people over here. So they're stuck having to sell really competitive pricing and things like that and pretty much just become commoditized. What I do is my offers and my service is so upper echelon in the marketing. Again, it's all marketing. I attract the guys who are up here who have enough money to pay me. So then what I do is I sell upfront packages for 4 to 6 months for $9,000 a pop. Or you can go the month to month route, but again, you're going to get months like this, or not months like this, but you're going to get payments like $3,200, $6,500, $2,200, which is good. Absolutely. But I try to get that upfront payment every single time. Right? These are 2 payment methods that I use. Another one that I'll even tell you, and I got this from Taylor Welch, but I will tell you guys right now, I paid to get this info, but I'll tell you, is you can do what I call now a revolving price model. What we do with that is we have a onboarding fee, and this onboarding fee becomes $3,500 for month number 1. That's it. And then after that, we go on a month to month. So my month to months will rather be $1.5K to $2,500. This will obviously, for us, it depends on how much ad spend that we're managing per client. If the client is doing 10,000 plus a month on ad spend, this number here will probably be increased, okay? The reason being is because once someone pays an onboarding fee, they're more obligated to stay more months. Even if month 1 doesn't go totally to plan, they don't become a millionaire by month 1, which it's marketing. You should already have proper expectations with your client. They should know that they're not going to be millionaires by, 30 days later. They're way more obligated to stay month to month to month and giving you more time to optimize your ad campaign, to get good ads, to get good leads, and therefore get better results for your clients. Okay. That's why my clients are staying from 6 to 12 months plus. And then other than how to sell it, you actually physically need to know how to sell it, which is sales. There's 2 sales options that you can do. You can sell based on emotion, or you can sell based on logic and ROI. Now, with home service, these are very logic-driven creatures. They don't really care about you hitting their emotion. If you go into the sales call and talk about, how is this going to affect your life and your family? Like, yeah, that can work on some people, but these guys are labormen. They've known labor their whole life. They want logic. It needs to make sense to them. So what we do is we use ROI-based sales, logic sales. Again, I always say this, but remember who you're selling to. You're selling to contractors. What do they want? Bottom line. Yeah, they want to go on vacations and things like that. But the thing that's in their head every single day is, how do I get another job? How do I get more money? Labormen, they care about results. They care about how you're going to get them there. So showing them logically how you're going to get them their return on investment. Does it logically make sense to them? Again, showing them with logic. But be careful, because if it was confusing, you're not going to close the deal. There's nothing worse than a confused buyer, because a confused buyer doesn't buy. So was it confusing, or was it simple and it makes sense? Again, if it makes sense, it's logical that they're going to get the outcome that you told them, and their ROI, like they logically see that the ROI makes sense, it becomes a complete no-brainer offer, and you will close them every single time. Exactly like everything I just showed here. I have other clients right now that are doing this literally right now. I've got Christian at the time of this sold his first deal, but he's now closed 2 of these already. So he's already made $10,000 on this job, closing $7.5K in MRR, monthly recurring revenue, and he's still working his job. I know a lot of you people out there are like working a job and you don't think you could do this. Christian's working a job right now and he's making $7.5K in monthly recurring revenue, meaning he's not lifting a finger and he's still making money. You got Kevin, who's 20 years old, with his first 2 clients, closed $14,000 USD. And the reason why I asked him USD or Canadian here, because he's Canadian. So he literally had almost a 20K 2 weeks. Like I spoke to him on the 7th, I believe in May, and he got back to me a little bit later, like 2 weeks later, and he closed 2 deals just from having a congruency offer, which I've talked in another video. But he helps roofing contractors, because again, guys, like home service contractors are the best people to sell to. Also Max here, who's now selling 8 to 10K packages to home service businesses. He went from 5K 5K deals to now 8 to 10 because he's just mastered it. We got another one. Cameron closed his first client in a single day. He made $3,500. He went from not knowing how to run SMA at all, completely brand new, to closing his first deal. Literally life changing. Like, he was making this per month in his full-time job. Now he's making that in a single day. SMA is going to change his life forever. And then there's Mondo here, who went from selling 1K packages, retainers, to now selling 5K deals. And now he's way higher than 5K deals. This is a super old screenshot, but he scaled from 30K a month all the way to 90K a month plus at 19 years old, like I mentioned to you guys in the beginning of the video. Literally, as I was recording this video, my client Christian just sold another deal for $2,500 monthly retainer. And I asked him, I literally just asked him, right, is that 7.5 in MRR in like 60 days ish? He literally just told me he added about $8,500 in MRR in the last like 30 days, 60 days or so. So again, guys, like, this is working. People are actively doing this right now. This model works. It's incredible. Again, this is only capable and so predictable. Like, guys, I have testimonials from all of my clients. The reason being is because we're not in some weird AI agency model where it's really new and you're not sure if the market has validated these types of offers yet. All these offers, all of these niches are 100% proven. Go to my YouTube page, click this link right here, book a call with me. I attend these calls. I don't have a closer because I'm very strict with who I let into my program, because you have to have a killer mindset about scaling your business. So click this link here, book in a call with me. I'll join that call. We'll see how we can implement my system into your business, and we'll see how we can get you scaling to an extra 20, 30K a month in the next 30 days. But please do not click the button. Do not book a call with me if you are not 100% serious.